Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. Open your math magic book, page number 30. It was lunch time. Children are hungry at that time. So they take out their lunch packs, biscuits, oranges, and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and 5 biscuits. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. Then question is asking how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed. So how many are there? First we will find that. See, total is 210 students. You know total number of children already. We saw 210. Then each child is to be given one orange, means total is 210 and each got one. Then how much will come? 210. What is 210? 210 is oranges. 210 oranges are distributed to them. Then again next question is biscuits. Biscuits is how many given? One child. Each child is 5 biscuits. Each child is 5 biscuits. Then how many children total are there? 210 children. So 200 children, 10 children how many will get? Into 5 you do. 5 0 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. How much came? It is 1050 biscuits. Each child got 5 biscuits and total biscuits how many are there? 1050 biscuits they distribute to each children. They distribute to all the children to the trip. Then question another is there. 38 children do not take bananas. 38 children not taken means total number is 210 and 38 not taken. So you have to subtract. 210 minus 38. How much will come? See, first you must subtract 0, 8 is not possible. You have to take from 10 side, means 10th place. 1 is there, 1 you have to take, it will come 10. So 10 minus 8 is equal to how much will come? That is 2. Then here already you have taken 1 that side, 1's place. So here nothing is there, only 0. 0 minus 3 is not possible. Again you have to take from 1 to 100th place. It is 10. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So in 100 plus how much left? Here 2 is there, already 1 taken, means here left only 1. 1 you have to write. Then how many bananas? 172 bananas. So what you will write? The question is how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed. So how many? 210 oranges, 172 bananas and 1050 biscuits distributed. Do you understand this one? Next all have finished. Next, after finishing their lunch, they started puzzles. They started puzzles to pass the time. After finishing their lunch, they started puzzles to pass the time. To see what are the puzzles, children are discussing. One child asked, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. So it is how much? It is 125. 100 between 100 50 and 110. You add both that, it is 250. Between that means in middle you have to divide 2. So how much came? It is 125. So it is what is the number? The number is 125. Then next, one child asked, I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? The question is, I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? See that question is, 4 friends are there. 4 friends, each friend 4 toffees is given. So 4 into 4 you do. How much came? It is 16. 4 friends are there. Each got 4 toffees. So totally 4 into 4 it is 16 toffees. But he has 16 toffees to his friends. But he has got 3 toffees are left. So has got 3 toffees left. So how much is there? Total toffees is 16 plus 3. It is 19 toffees. So 90. So the total number of toffees the child had is 19 toffees, because 16 plus 3 equal to 19. Then next, another puzzle is there. What numbers can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You can make 357 and 537. What others? See here 3-digit number given, 357. With this, use these 3 numbers, use and write the 3-digit number. It is 357 one, another is 537. Other numbers you have to write. Use the 3, 5 and 7. Already written what number? 357 and 537. You have to write other numbers. 375 is there. Then 573, then 573, then 753 and 735. So these only 3, 5, 7 you will use the numbers. Already given 3, 5, 7 one number and 5, 3, 7 another number. Other numbers are 375, see 375 and 573 and 753 and 735. These 3 numbers use and write. These are the other numbers. You have to write there. Then next puzzle. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Think of a number. So what we will do? First you will multiply 2, 3 and 5. How much will come? First you will multiply 2, 3 and 5. How much it is? It is 2, 3 is 6, 6, 5 is 30. 6, 5 is 30. So 30 is the number that comes between 25 and 30. Since that number comes between 25 to 30, we can write that is 30. Okay. Next, another puzzle is there. That is, a small ant climbs 3 centimeters in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeters. How much time will it take to climb to 2 centimeters? So small ant is there. See, small ant climbs 3 centimeters and What is that? Climbs 3 centimeter and slips down. Slips. See, slips down. How many? 2 centimeter. So, climbs means +3 and down, slips down means -2. How much came? It is 1 centimeter. So, it would have been climbed only 1 centimeter. Again, he climbed 3 centimeter, means it is already 1 is there, 1 plus 3, 4. So, he climbed 4 centimeter and slips down 2 centimeter. Slips down means again you have to subtract 4 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. Then how much is there? 4 centimeter minus 2 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter. So totally it will reach how many centimeter? 2 centimeters. Okay, do you understand? This much for today. Next class we will start some more numbers. Thank you.